system, okay? Not necessarily marketing system, okay? The control marketing system, the marketing of products is controlled and regulated by government authorities, okay? These authorities decide the price, again, decide the price, and producers are obligated to sell at that particular price that is determined by these government authorities. Okay, so it is controlled and regulated by government authorities. They decide the price, these authorities, right? That is controlled marketing system. So let's look at marketing system. We have controlled marketing system, we have cooperative marketing system, and we have free market system. Free marketing system, cooperative marketing system, and controlled marketing system. This is the systems that we have. Again, let's move on.